my director with good energy. What are you doing behind the camera?
Looking at you.
Look how nice this looks. So bright. This place is literally gorgeous. So we're at the Energy Barre in Stoneham. You can actually rent out this space. So if you're interested in renting it out, hit them up. The Energy Barre in Stoneham. They actually sell things as well. And they also have an upstairs where their studio is, but this is their living room. So I would love to do like home workouts type stuff in here. That would be so awesome. I just filmed for hours and hours and hours of working out. I'm dead. I feel awful. I don't feel awful. I just feel like I worked out like crazy. I'm just putting my clothes on and we're about to leave and go get some food. Brennan just brought stuff out to the car. If he sees me not ready to go, by the time he comes up, he's gonna be like, what the heck have you been doing? But I've been videoing this place because it's so gorgeous. But now I'm about to pack the rest of my stuff. I had my book of exercises here. This is actually such a good book. I think it's like $40 or $50. It's called the Glute Lab, but there's so much information in here. So I would totally recommend it if you're like serious about growing your glutes. Or you can follow my app because I am definitely incorporating a lot of my favorites in there. Oh, this lighting is actually better out here. So yeah. All right, we're going to the Dirty Water Christmas party. I'm gonna show you my outfit. Okay, so this is it with the jacket on. This is obviously with it off. These pants I got like years ago and then I never wore them. They're super comfy, so I'm pumped to actually wear them. And guess whose birthday it is? Not his.
Cora's.
Cora's birthday. And we just gave her a bone. So she's gonna be so happy while we're gone. All right, girl, happy birthday. I love you. All right, Brenny, we got a goat seas. This is Regina and Regina. I love you. Look at the pants. He told me what to get you for Christmas, by the way. He gave me a good tip of what to get you for Christmas, but I can't tell you.
I can't tell you either. No, I can't tell you either. Inside info. You're welcome.
Thank you. I think you'll like it.
I hope so.
You'll think of him Christmas morning. All right, let's get the trumpet player.
When it's a marvelous night for a movie dance, beneath the covers of the sky.
It's Leo
A fantabulous night to make more.
and the boyfriend.
Beneath the cover of the sky. And all the leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow.
Is this your outfit that you wear for like holiday parties or?
No, we just wear it for tonight.
It's so cute. Okay, so we're at Target right now and we're picking out a gift for Toys for Tots. We are going to a breakfast tomorrow. Ooh, this is actually freaking cool. I might actually get this one. This is an astronaut Barbie. I think I found my pick. But we're going to Ernie Boch's Toys for Tots. There's a catered breakfast if you bring a unwrapped toy. So that's what me and Brennan are doing. See what Brennan picks. What'd you pick?
I picked 2 Nerf guns. So they can have a war. The brothers, the boys,
And the
the
girls.
friends.
Or vice versa. Who knows?
The girl might, the sister might pick this up
I don't know.
and shoot the brother
And the brother might pick up this.
and think the doll's cute. We don't know. We don't care. Just enjoy the toys, kids.
What's that happening? So you think those changed, right? That didn't happen when you were. Well, I heard you say this too, but look in the mirror.
So many toys. All right, so day 2 at the Energy Barre. We just finished up and we're about to go get some food. Today we did mostly full body workouts. We did a lot. I feel really good about leaving today. I feel like I have everything I need to get started. finally I can say that. So it's a really good feeling. All right, let's go get some food. Oh my God. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Hi, Jose.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
So Jose is actually a realtor in the Boston area? In the Boston area.
North of Boston, mainly.
North of Boston. This is the best backdrop. You have the tree behind you.
The tree's beautiful.
Yes.
You see how high? It's so tall.
And we've been playing Bad Bunny, which you love. Oh, hi.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
This is Vlogmas, if you could say hello. This is Stephanie, who has been my best friend since 4th grade.
4th grade.
This is crazy. And Nicole, we met in 8th grade?
Something like that.
Something like that.
7.
Miss Chachowski's
I
class?
remember you with a white coat. Since 7th grade.
7? Time flies, you know? It gets crazy. Alright, this is the beer pong table. I beat a lot of people tonight. But now we got a new team. Oh, okay. This is what I call a very good friend for turning the camera on and showing me. So as I was saying, I played really well in beer pong tonight. Ma'am?
Hi, guys. Hi, this is Margaret. Do you want to be that? And I'm going to show you what the Bruins are doing tonight.
Imagine this is my best friend and she's making fun of me.
The Bruins? They just got 3 scores.
Oh my God!
3 scores.
Yes, 3-0. Oh my God!
3.
You know who would make great at Dirty Water Media? You. You should do it.
I can do it.
You should fucking do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to recruit you.
What are you doing?
I'm recruiting photographer Dirty Water Media.
I gotta go buy
Okay. Bye. Imagine he won't let us take one of these.
No.
But what are they? She stole one. Ooh. I'll sign off the vlog. And the brother. Morning. I am at my parents' house. Actually just made waffles. My mom bought these ones for me because I asked her to get waffles that had protein in it. So she got the Kashi Go. My dad had them the other day and he said that he hated them. What about them do you hate? So I can't remember how they tasted. Show you. I put it on the smallest plate. I'm actually headed to my brother's house in just a little bit. He got a new house, kind of. Like, he just moved in anyways. He's had rented it before. I'm gonna stop by. There's nothing wrong with these at all. I bet you my mom told him that these were like healthy waffles, and that's what he's going with because they taste like waffles to me. And knowing there's a benefit, there's more protein in it. Why not? House. We just got a tour of it.
This streak is
Show you guys a little bit. So this is the master bedroom. Oh, you gotta use the bathroom up here? Where'd you go? Where is Nicholas? What are you doing? We're looking for you. This is my Vlogmas. So I'm just showing. I'm your sis. Oh, that's my dad. Where you come from? It's coming from another angle. Did you see the other bathroom? Yeah. It's like a maze.
Go.
Alright, Cora's bark box is here. Seasoned sweetings. Go ahead, girl. This is all you. A Christmas tree? Bye. What about the rest? Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. I just did some, well, I shouldn't say last minute Christmas shopping. I actually already ordered it and I just had to pick it up today, so kind of. But anyways, I'm going to my mom's house. Gonna finish getting ready and let the celebrations begin.
Oh, they go like this, you got the middle.
All right, and go. It's Christmas. Cora. Yeah, you do have some gifts. So these are all our gifts. The ones I got Brennan are in the red. There's one back there. Ooh, these are so nice. These are for me. And then Cora got her own dog. Ooh, she got her own toys. Wow, the last day. They gave you a special one. You haven't seen this one before. Here you go, baby.
He's much cuter than.
Cora.
Time for a hike.
Did you? No. Brendan, did you see this new restaurant?
Merry Christmas, everyone. It is at the point of Vlogmas that Christmas Eve has passed and it is now Christmas Day. How crazy is that? So, didn't get to film a whole lot on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, which I know there was a lot leading up to these 2 days. We just spent it with the family and it's just hard to film, and I completely forgot to do it on Christmas Eve. I drove home like, damn it. But anyways, we had a wonderful time. Christmas Eve was spent at my family's house. We do a lot of traditions every year. We always do like the 7 fishes, which is kind of an Italian thing, with lobster, shrimp, scallops, steamers. This year we did mussels, but we also do bingo for prizes. There's scratch tickets. It's pretty fun. We do a gift card Yankee swap. And I don't know, it's just such a great time. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was nice to be there. Your mom gave me a really nice sweatshirt with a Rottweiler on it. You got one too.
We have matching Rottweiler sweatshirts from my mom.
Matchweilers, actually.
Matchweilers. And then Christmas Day, we spent it with the Griffins. Today we were at his grandparents' house, and then we went to his parents' house after, and his mom always does this wonderful roast. It's like amazing, and a bunch of sides. They also do this peppermint pig thing where this pig goes around the peppermint, and you basically cover it in this like velvet case, and then you say something you're grateful for of this past year, and then you like smack it, and basically the goal is to kind of like break it down and everyone can have like little pieces of peppermint. And it's we've done it 3 years in a row now.
3 or 4, yeah.
Yeah, well, at least I've been involved. I think that at least
Well, you've only been
3
there
times.
for it, so whatever you've been involved.
Oh, you didn't
No,
do it
this
before?
is a new thing, yeah, no.
Yeah, we didn't do it last year because of COVID, I don't think, but
And the year before there wasn't any
there wasn't.
Christmas.
So it's been a while since we've done it, but it was fun to be able to do it. But now we're back home and we're just relaxing, getting a little tired. But I don't know, this has been really fun to document Vlogmas. I'm so glad I did it.
Oh, it's so fun. I actually brought a tear to my eye.
I want to do another one for the new year. So like even just leading up to New Year. So maybe I'll do that. But I'd like to keep these vlogs going because I just actually really thoroughly enjoy documenting in this way. Way more than I do with anything else, because I like to film, think about it, and then put things together versus like on Instagram, you know, you just kind of do it in real time. I have a little more time to reflect on what I want to share, and also it's